guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just have a couple of things of Happy Mail that just like randomly showed up, and I'm just so grateful that you guys are thinking of me and just sending me things randomly, and it's just so thoughtful. Like, I just came home from work today, I had a slight headache, and this was just waiting for me to be opened. So the easier one to open is just, which I already opened, is this. I was like, what did I order from Amazon in these two big boxes? And one of you lovely ladies, Cathy, you sent me some cutting mats for my machines. Like, that is so thoughtful of you. She wrote some notes that she saw me using tape on my mats and thought she would send me some. She said that these are the strong grip ones and they come in super handy, which they definitely will. I do cut quite a bit of like glitter cardstocks. They're gonna come in so handy. And then she also sent me these ones, and I'm so excited to try them. Like, anything that's a non-silhouette brand, you gotta give a shot because oftentimes they are cheaper. And she did mention that in the note that they're not that expensive, which is really nice in case I need to rebuy these. So thank you so much. Like, you're so thoughtful, you're so sweet, and you just thought you would send me some cutting mats, and that's just amazing of you. Like, you have such a sweet heart. So yeah, I will link both of these down below in case you guys want to test them out as well. But I'm so excited to try these, guys. Love me some cutting mats, especially since I've been doing more 3D craft projects lately, and I'm making some silhouette files for things for me to make, so I'm excited to try these out. So thank you so much, Cathy. And then the other thing today that showed up in my P.O. box is this package of goodies, and it says Happy Mail, and it's from J. Dennis. I don't know who you are, I'm so sorry, but this looks like a whole bunch of goodies. I opened this and I was like, okay, I need to come on here and do an unboxing because I have no idea like what you sent. And I see a little note here, so I'm gonna read this right now. I'm gonna read this off camera. Okay, so based on her note, I think she kind of wants to be found. So she says, hi, my name is Jackie. I've been following you on YouTube through Tamika's channel, and I love your work. I just wanted to send you a little Valentine's Day Happy Mail. I don't upload videos, but I can be found on Facebook, Jackie Dennis, or Instagram, Lovin' Big Jack. So this is her Instagram. I just looked it up in case you guys want to follow her or check her out. I will also have a link to her Instagram down below. So let's see what she sent me and what Happy Mail and goodies are in here. So I'm seeing some candy. Let me just take everything out first. Maybe I should do that. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at all these goodies. It's like a Valentine's Day Happy Mail for sure. I love it. Thank you. Oh my God, did you crochet this? I don't know how to crochet, but I love crocheted things. Okay, let me just show you guys. So she sent over some Hershey's Kisses, which I'm about to dig into right now. Oh my gosh, and these Lindor chocolates. Oh, and some Ghirardelli strawberry. I've never seen strawberry Ghirardelli. Is it Ghirardelli or Ghirardelli? I don't know, but I've never seen strawberry before. I love strawberry and like raspberry flavors. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. I'm about to dig into this in like a minute after I'm done with this video because I've actually have had like a sweet tooth, and I recently finished my Snickers and Twixes, so I need to go to Costco and get a bag of goodies. So thank you so much for sending me these because I needed some in my life. Thank you. Okay, let's see what else she sent to me. Oh my goodness, look at her packaging, guys. This looks amazing. Let me just get all these little pieces and bits and pieces off of here. So let's look at this. She sent, or she wrapped this up with like a little ribbon. Oh my God, what did you send here? I'm just gonna pull it out. So let's see. Here's the first thing she sent. What is this? Oh, some ribbon. I see some ribbon. I feel like I need to open these so I could see. Oh, I love how she did this so I could reuse it. How cute. Don't you love when you could just reuse packaging? That's great. Okay, so let's see. She sent over some ribbon, which is fantastic. I really like that ribbon. And then a little, oh my God, these are little, They're just like little embellishment things, and this one says Divine and Special, and she attached a little butterflies to it. Look how cute that is. And then she just used this to like stick them onto here. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you. Those are really adorable. Wait, did you make those? You couldn't have made these, right? Could you have? The butterflies with like some wire? I don't know, maybe you did. You gotta let me know, girl. Did you make these? I feel almost like you did. Okay, you have to let me know. Let me know in the comments below. Just showing you guys up close. I feel like she may have made these butterflies. And if you did, I'm just like, wowza. Because how? Alright, so let me know if you made these. Because I'm sure we all want to know. The next baggie in here is this with a cute little bag topper. Oh, this is from AliExpress. I've been seeing so many people like haul that recently. Oh my god. Oh my god, is this like a little a card in the shape of like a coffee cup? Let me see. Oh my goodness, I think it is. Look guys, look. It's a card in the shape of a coffee cup. How adorable. And she left it blank so I could definitely, or like mostly blank, so I could definitely add a whole bunch to this and layer some pieces on top of here and decorate it. And she sent me this bag topper, which is very pretty. It has a heart with some stitching, and she used like this embossed paper that says love all over it. This one has a little rose, and then another layering piece right here that has a little rose. Wait, do these go together? Oh, I think they do. Wait, do they? How does your bag topper look? I feel like these go together somehow. Not sure how, but I feel like they do. Thank you so much for sending these my way as well. Oh, I'm excited to like embellish these and craft with these. Thank you. Let me grab the next one. So here she has some cute little tags. Let me open this so I can show you guys. Okay, so in here she has these tags that she double layered with like a bigger one and a smaller one. And she used this little glitter heart. I think this is from Dollar Tree because I have some of those too. She sent this plain tag, and these are good because I could include these in little tag flips and embellish and decorate some more on top of that as well. Here she also has another one. I love this paper. Where did you get this paper? It's like a sparkly paper that says love all over it. Very, very pretty. And she layered another piece on top of here, used some of these sequins. I never thought of using those sequins from Dollar Tree like that, but that's a really cute way of using them. And then she cut out one of the love things and stuck it on here with some dimensionals. What a great way of using what you got. I love it. Thank you. Then she also sent some of these foam hearts. Oh my god, I haven't seen purple yet. And some of these like sweetheart ones. This one says LOL. It says true love, hugs love. I'm not sure what this one says. Call me. I love the little sweethearts. They're so cute. And all these little other foam stickers. Some of them have like little scalloped edges. Some of them are like a holographic. Some of them are glittery. These ones are double layered like felt ones. So a nice variety of different puffy hearts. Thank you. And then I'm also seeing, oh my gosh, what is this? This is by Love Nicole. And she sent these cute little coffee cup rhinestone coffee things. They're just stickers. I think they peel off as one. I'm not sure, but this would be really cute to add to a card as well. Thank you so much. Oh, I love it. And then the last thing in that bundle, but not the last in this whole entire goodness, is this. I'm not sure what this is. So let me open this up and let's find out. Oh, I think this was her way of gifting me some more goodies, like some flowers and things. She just added it to like a little backing because I'm seeing all of these binder clips holding these flowers together. Wait, is this a flower binder clip? Oh my goodness! Look guys, it's a flower binder clip. How pretty is that? Did you make these flowers? I could see the glitter. I think you added the glitter. Nice way of using up some glitter. I have tons of glitter I need to use up, so thanks for the idea. But you couldn't have made these. These you couldn't have. I think you just added the glitter. Okay, very, very cute. I love flowers. I love crafting with flowers. Then she gifted me some of this like mesh. Look at it. Look how pretty that is. Like a pink with like these little sequins on it. Thank you so much. And then look at these flowers. She added some glitter onto these as well. Don't you guys just love crafting with flowers? They just like make any project look so much better. I might even take some of these off and like off the binder clip and just like include them in a card or something. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna save them for now and just hoard them a little bit. And then the last thing here is this box. I think this is like an embellishment box she sent. Let me just take a photo of all this goodness. I don't even know how to take a photo. It just looks like Valentine's Day threw up on my craft desk. Like that looks like a hot mess. I'm gonna have to organize that a little better and take a better photo. So here she has this little die cut piece and it says from me to you. I think she wrote that on there, from me to you. And here is like a little embellishment box. I don't know, did you crochet this? You have to let me know. Like how gorgeous is this, guys? She made like a little band for this box. Just look at it. So yeah, let's get into this. This is so big, guys. Okay, so, oh my God, then I think she did. She put like this twine, not twine, it's like a ribbon. I have this too somewhere. But oh my goodness, did you make this? You have to let me know. So here inside, oh my God, so many goodies in here. Look at this, guys. Okay, so we have tons of these. I don't have any of these, so thank you so much for sending me these little goodies. How am I supposed to dig through this? Oh my goodness, look at this bow. Look at that paper. Are you guys seeing this? It's like a fuzzy paper. She attached it onto a paper clip with some more of those little sequin things. How pretty is that? Thank you. And then she has this little Hershey Kiss die cut. Oh my gosh, you love glitter. There's glitter on everything. So much glitter love. Let's see, what is this? Little like beads. Oh, I could cut these up, use them as trim. Oh my gosh. Oh, I actually have a great idea for this. Like, you know, one of those cards where you open it up and like that circle in the middle like spins? This might be a good way to use some of that. I'm not sure if this would spin that well. It's worth a shot, but because I've never made one of those cards before and I've been wanting to, but thank you for sending me some of these. Then you also got this paper clip with these little pearl gemmies on there. You love, not paper clip, sorry. You love embellishing clothespins. Look how cute. Then she sent me some of these sequins, those little heart sequins from Dollar Tree. Thank you. And then another one of these. Did you paint these? There's like hot pinks and reds. I know you added the little gemmies. Then she sent, oh my gosh, this little pom-pom. You had to have made these. How cute. I'm going to add this to one of my little binder mails I'm going to be doing soon. Thank you. I don't have little like pom-poms like this, so that's so fun. She sent me this. This is like a magnetic clip, and she decorated it with like a little heart, the wooden heart, with a little beauty thing. The little beads. Oh, those are really cute. And then a sticker that says sweetheart. So yeah, this is magnetic. I could put this on my fridge. Oh, she put some eyelash trim behind here too. I could put this on my fridge. I could bring it into work and I could put it on my whiteboard. So many uses for that. I'm just going to put it on my fridge probably for now. And then another one of these little pom-poms. Look at that. 2 colors, guys. How amazing. Thank you so much. And then in here we have some of these paperclip flower embellishments. We have, what is it, tassel? Oh, look, a little tassel. How pretty. And then you have another one of these like flower paperclip embellies. you love, like, it looks like you love doing a lot of like altering, like to binder clips, magnetic clips, binder, paper clips, clothespins. She has this flower. Look at all those jemmies around there, and she used one of the U-Rock Sweetheart foam stickers. Then she also has this layered flower right here. That's a pretty flower die cut. And then, what else is in here? And then there's this little tassel as well. Ah, stuck to the little foam balls. And there's this one. Thank you so much for sending me all of these goodies. Wow, it's just a day of like so much happy mail, so thank you so much. I'm gonna be hoarding like all of these things and stuff, so thank you for all these extra goodies and these wonderful creations you made. And let me know the answers to the questions below, like if you crocheted this beautiful little like, what do I call this? Belly band for the box. If you created this, just let me know. Thank you so much. I will have all of her information down below, guys, for her Instagram as well as Cathy's Instagram. So we have Jackie's and Cathy's Instagrams that I will have linked down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. So I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Thank you. Bye.